We all are in situations, or have been in some situation, where we would like to know that what we are being told is a truth or a lie. We all know the feeling of disappointment, that believing something for true and then it came out not to be true. The question arises how we can prevent a situation where someone tries to deceive us. To answer this question, the most famous mental technology called neuro-linguistic programming comes to our aid. Its creator, Richard Bandler, in the 70s, discovered while treating his patient that people move their eyes in certain directions when they try to access certain information in their head. To understand how this kind of technology can help us to spot lies, let's look at this image. As we can clearly see, in the directions of the eyes, it is also described what each direction means. So if we stand in front of a person, or in our case it is Dr. House, and when we ask him about something, he turns his eyes up to his left, but to our right, then what we know is that he is trying to access some memories of some events that really happened. And we know that he is going to tell us the truth. And if we were to ask him, Dr. House, do you know the lyrics of certain song? And then he would move his eyes horizontally to his left and to our right, we would know that he is trying to remember those lyrics. And if we were to tell and ask Dr. House about some event that had happened, and maybe he is now in some position that he don't want to tell us the truth, we see him roll his eyes to the right, to his right, but to our left. Up front, we know that he is trying to construct some images, to make some new memory, and mix that real event with other things, or trying to create a completely new memory. And we know then that we are about to be told a lie. The same thing is also for auditory information. If we were to ask him, Dr. House, can you construct us a new song? And he may roll his eyes horizontally to his right and to our left. We know that he's trying to put some words together to make some rhymes and make a lyric of a song. So, by knowing this, we know that people access information which are true or not. And by knowing which direction means what, we may use this in our real events, that we can now spot lies before happening. We cannot say to spot a liar, because we all may say lies and true things. So it's better to frame it as lies, not liars. So to master this kind of skill and to be really aware, because sometimes things can lead us to not the real direction what we own, because there are some kind of people that their brains are polarized, so they may roll their eyes in the different direction, in the opposite direction of what generally people would do. So they will construct images into the left side, and they would remember memories into their right side. So, not making this mistake, what we would do is ask people questions that we would already know the answers. So then when they'll try to access the information to respond to the question, and they give us the right question, the truth, and then we see their eyes roll into certain direction, then we would know that these directions is the place where they would roll their eyes to access the information of something that is being constructed, or some real event that already happened, or something that is real. So that expression that says that eyes do not lie take full literal meaning, especially by knowing this kind of technology. So that is all for today, folks. I hope you enjoy it and use it. Ask, observe, and understand the truth that is shown to you. Goodbye.